Here's how to capture screenshots on your Android phone without pressing any buttons. First, use the screenshot shortcut from Quick Settings. For this, swipe down from the top of your screen to open the Quick Settings panel and look for the screenshot option. If you don't see it, tap the pencil or edit icon to add it. Browse and find the screenshot control and add it to your Quick Settings panel by holding and dragging it. Once you're done, you can take a screenshot by pulling the Quick Settings panel from the top and tapping on the screenshot icon. Your phone will instantly capture whatever is currently on your screen. Another option is to use Google Assistant to take screenshots. If Google Assistant is enabled on your phone, simply say, "Hey Google, take a screenshot." Google Assistant will immediately capture a screenshot of your current screen. You can tap the preview to open it right away or find it later in your Photos or Gallery app. And that's it.